Welcome dear students. Our last topic was prime factors. Now as I told you, after prime factor we will study HCF, and after HCF we will study LCM. So today's topic is HCF. So what HCF is, if you will read HCNF, it is highest common factor, or we can call it GCD, or greatest common divisor. So what it states that the greatest number which divides each of two or more numbers is called HCF. Once again, the greatest number which divides each of the two or more numbers is called HCF, means highest common factor, or it is also called GCD, or greatest common divisor. So we have an example here. Now you can see, according to this, the greatest number which can divide each of two numbers or more than two numbers, it is called HCF or GCD of the given two number. Now let's see here, we are having two numbers 12 and 16. Now how to find out the greatest common divisor or greatest highest common factor? So which will be the highest common divisor of these two? We need to find out such a number which is such a greatest number which can divide 16 and 12. There are many numbers which can divide 12 and 16, but we need the greatest one. So here what I have done, factors of 12 I have written. Factors of 12 means we studied already. Factors of 12 means by number by which 12 is divisible. 12 is divisible by 1, 12 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 3, 12 is divisible by 4, 12 is divisible by 6, 12 is divisible by 12. Same way, factors of 16 means by which 16 is divisible, or 16 comes in which table. 16 comes in table of 1, or 16 divisible by 1, 16 comes in table of 2, 16 comes in table of 4, 16 comes in table of 8, 16 comes in table of 16. Now we will see the common factors first. Common are 2, 2. Next is 4, 4. After that there is not common. So we will see the common 2 and 4. So which one is the highest, which is the greatest one? Greatest one is 4. So your GCD or HCF is equal to 4. Now next we can have a few examples, and later we will do the another methods of HCF. Now see one more example. Two numbers are given 18 and 24. So we will do with the help of factor method. Factors of 18 I have written. Once again, factor of 18 are those numbers by which 18 is divisible. So 18 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Same way, factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now with these all numbers 24 is divisible. That's why these numbers are factors of 24. Now we will see the common one. Common, this is 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the common factors. Then the highest common is biggest one, largest one. Largest common is 6. So your HCF is equal to 6. Next is prime factor method for finding the HCF. So we are finding with the help of prime factor method HCF of 24, 48 and 248. So what we will do, we will do the prime factors. You know that while finding prime factor, we will divide only with prime numbers. So this is divisible by 2, here 12, again by 2, 6, again by 2, 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, so divided by 3. So these are the prime factors of 24. Now 48, here 24, again divided by 2, 12, again divided by 2, 6, again divided by 2, 3, 3 divides by 1, this is. Now here 2 divides 1, 2, 4, 2 divides 6 and 2, 2 divides here 3, 1, 31 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 31, 1 time. Now we will write down the prime factors. 2, into 2 into 2 into 3, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and for 248, 2 into 2 into 2 into 31. Now we will see the common one. For HCF, what you will do, HCF, we will see common. This 2, this 2 and this 2. In this 2 is present in all three factors, so you can write 1, 2 here. Now this 2, this 2, this second 2 is also present in all, so you can write 2 here. Now you can see this 2, this 2, this 2. Third 2 is also present in all, so this. Now 3 is present here, but here it is not present. But 3 is present here, but 3 is not, 3 is present here. In both 3 is present, but in third one it is not present. So now common is not left anything, so you can product of this 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So HCF of 24, 48 and 248 is equal to 8. Now see one more example. Numbers are 36, 180 and 1260, and we are following the method of prime factor. Now see, it is divisible by 2, 18, again by 2, 9, here by 3, 3 the 3, 1 0. Because 9 is not divisible by 2, so we have divided by 3. Now see here by, because it is divisible by 2, because at last there is 0, 2 divides 180, 90, again by 2, 45. Now 45 is not divisible by 2, we will divide it by 3, 3 1 ja 3 5 ja, 15 is divisible by 3, 3 5 times, then 5 1 time. Here now 1260 divisible by 2, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja 0, again by 2, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Now by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja, then again by 3, 3 3 ja, 3 5 ja. Now by 5, 7 10, 7 1 times. Later what you have to do, you will write down the factor. Factors of 36, you can write 36 is equal to, then factors of 180, then 12 60. Here 36 factor 2 multiply 3 into 3. 180 factor 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Factors of 1260, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now we will see the common factors. HCF is equal to common one. Here this 2, 2, 2. 2 is present in all, so we can write 1, 2. Then 2, 2, 2. Then you can write one more. 3, 3, 3. You can write one more 3. Then next is 3, 3, 3. One more 3 you can write. Later 5 is present in these two, but it is not present in 3, so you can leave others. We will take common only those which are present in all 3. 2 to the 4, 4 9 the 36. So your highest common factor or GCD of 36, 180 and 1260 is equal to 36. Now here is the another method of HCF, short division method. In this what you will do, you will divide all together, or you will write together and divide it together. How to do it? 3 9 0. Now you have to see such a number which can divide all 3. Now it is divided by 2. 2 75, here 150, and here it will comes 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 8 ja. Now you can see this number is not divisible by 2, this is divisible by, this is divisible by 2. These two are divisible by 2, but this is not divisible by 2, so we will not divide here by 2. Now we need to see such a number which can divide all 3. So this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, and here 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18. This is also divisible by 3. So try with 3. 3 2 the 3 6 and then 5. 3 5 the 15. Now here 3 5 the 15 0, and here 3 6 the 18, and then again 3 6 the 18. Now again you can see this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 2 5, this is divisible by only by 2 or by 3. So now there is no number which can divide all 3. So your HCF will be 2 multiply 3, which is equal to 6. So why we selected? We will select here those numbers only, those prime number which can divide the all numbers. Now next question, 240 and 1680. So here also we will see such a number which can divide both. So that number is 2. 120. Here 6, 2 8 the 2 4 the 0. Again both are divisible by 2. 60, and here 2 4 2 2 0. Again by 2. 30. Here 2 2 the 2 1 the 0. Again by 3 5 the, and here 3 3 the 3 5 the. Now we can divide by 5. 5 1 the 5 7 the. So your HCF is equal to product of these 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which will equal to 240. Now next we will do HCF by division method. So in division method, what we usually are doing, the greatest one number we will divide by smallest number, and division will continue until we will get the remainder 0. Watch it carefully. With 84 you will divide 288. 288 3 times 2 5 2. Here comes 6. Here comes 3 36. Now here 36 came. Now 36 is remainder. There is nothing to take carry. Now with this 36 you can divide 84, by which you have divided, which was the divisor of your 288. Now here you can divide 84. Now 36 2 are 72. Here left 4 minus 2 2 and 12. Now here remainder comes 12. Now with this 12 you can divide 36. 36 divides 3 times. So but your division complete, remainder came 0. Division completes by 12. So your HCF is equal to 12. In next question, when we are having 3 numbers, so here also what we will do, the largest number is 1764. This divided by 98. So first of all, one time 98, then see subtract it. 16 minus 8 8. Here left 6, and then 16 minus 9 7. 4 you have taken carry. Now 98 divides 784. It will goes now 8 times. 7 8 4. Now division completes. Division complete by 98. Division complete by 98. Now one more number is there, 588. With 98 you can try this also, whether 98 can divide 588 or not. And HCF of 98 and 1764 is 98. But we need to find out HCF of all three. So what we will do, with 98 you can divide this also. 98. 588 divided by 98. We will see how many times it will go. 6 times. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54 plus 4 58. Now you can see division is complete by 98. So HCF is equal to 98. 8. So this is the three method of division, three methods of HCF. Hoping you understand. Thank you. I will come with my next video on LCM soon.